What's up guys, it's Sean from Window Tint Warriors, and today in this quick video I'm going to show you how to dismantle the panel to remove the gasket and install tint on the front door of this 2021 Cadillac Escalade. So to remove the panel, it's fairly simple. You have one screw behind the handle, the plastic cover here, and one screw down under the rubber and the hand grip down here. And we also have two screws on the bottom. Typical Chevy, it's a Cadillac, it's a Chevy. All the new Chevys pretty much have this style of door panel, the brand new Silverados, etc. So we're going to remove the plastic behind the handle on the interior. Then you have this little groove here on this plastic where you can stick a hook tool and just kind of pop that piece out. We have a 7mm in there. We're going to take the rubber out of the hand grip area carefully, not to scratch any plastic. We have two 7mm down there, and then we have the two 7mm on the bottom, which I'm going to take off first. We'll remove the two in the hand grip. These are all the same size, so it's okay to mix them up. And then the one behind the handle. After we get all the screws out, we're going to remove the panel from the front bottom corner and then pop it off and slide the whole panel up. So basically, the reason we have to remove the entire panel is because the panel sits into the gasket. So you can't just pull the top back like we used to be able to do. It sits deep in there in the groove. So grab the panel on the bottom front corner, get a nice firm grip, and just give it one quick tug. That'll pop some of the clips and work our way around. Sometimes the clips fall out. You can just pop them back into place. This one stayed in there, so I'll just use a trim tool, or it'll just come right out. Figure out where these went. And when you get to the front, you want to stick your hand behind this plastic, because if you just pull, it puts too much tension in this area, and you could actually end up cracking this plastic. And same thing right here. There's one clip right here where you kind of have to pull in the panel and put your hand under and push at the same time to release it. Then we can lift it straight up, hold the panel, and remove the gasket. It's a little tight. You're better off grabbing it kind of from the center than the side, because it does go under this plastic trim. So you get better leverage in the center. And if you distort it at all, just give it a little squeeze, put it back to normal. Just go ahead and replace that clip that just fell on the ground. Now we're going to go ahead and line up some of the clips on the bottom and just pop the bottom back in place. And we're going to leave the top away so we have room to bottom load. So we'll do a quick prep and I'll show you guys the install. Very simple bottom load install. One thing to be aware of on these doors, the interior panels have this stitching. If you get too much water on this stitching, it'll absorb into the panel, and the panel will actually swell. So you want to keep these as dry as possible during your install. And remember, if you guys are watching this and you want to learn window tinting, check out windowtintwarriors.com or windowtintsupplies.com, where we have the hands-on classes here in New York. Spray, squeegee spray. Try not to get that door panel wet. Bottom load grab the bottom corner, opposite hand under, drape it over your hands, face your hands away, and always the front corner in first. Get that front edge fully in, slide it forward, drop the back down, slide the back into place, line up your top edge. Perfect gap, right? Psych. This is moving a lot on me because I have a lot of soap in here. We just did a training in one of the students' bottles where they put excess soap. So I'm just repositioning it as a squeegee. Post heat it a little bit. Since it is really cold here in New York right now, I'm taking the extra time to make sure that top edge is really dry and tacked to the top edge with the film, because if I roll it up now, there's a potential that it could peel back a little bit just because the glass is cold, the water's cold. I could use warm water, but just overall, it's cold outside and I want it to be dry before it goes outside, so it dries a lot quicker for the customer. up. Now that we got the window rolled up, we're gonna squeegee straight down from the center out. Overlapping strokes down the sides. If you don't have one of these, get one of these, the Tri-Edge X Pink, the best one they got. And you can get it from windowtintsupplies.com. Just gonna heat seal that bottom edge with the gray lid coat card and the heat gun, making sure there's no fingers popping up and that bottom edge is completely sealed and dry, so that way when the customer does roll the window down, since it is cold, you don't get any peeling on the bottom edge. Give it a check from the outside. Looks perfect to me. Now that the window's completely tinted, we can go ahead and reassemble. Before we pull the whole panel back off, let's put the gasket back in first so we're not fighting with holding that. Simply slides on, and then what you have to do is kind of curl it down to get it under the plastic on the side there. And then we can push down the center. We'll pop the whole panel off, hang it back onto the gasket, and then pop the rest of the panel on, put all the screws back in. Hanging on the top, slide down. Pull the panel away to line up the clips. Make sure they're lined up before you smack it into place. And then we'll put all the screws back, one behind the handle. It's a little tricky to get this in here. You gotta hold the handle at the same time. 2 down on the grip. And then we have the 2 on the bottom of the door. Reinstall the rubber that's in the door grip. So when you reinstall this plastic behind the door handle, it actually has 2 tabs that are on the bottom. Those have to go in first, and then it goes straight on. Slide the panel down. Alright guys, that is how you tint the front doors on the 2021 Cadillac Escalade with the gasket removed, removing the whole door panel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And that is how you disassemble and reassemble and do the doogie. Now this is how you, and Jose, you do the outro. I can't do this right now.